this is Michaela,
This is Catherine.
and we're going to do a topic on,
Things we like.
yeah, so, I like Pepsi, wait, no, ew, I like Mountain Dew,
I like cup.
I like bracelet,
I like granola bar wrapper.
I like brush thing,
I like phone, oh yes.
I like light,
I like dog with flower.
I like pimped out keyboard,
Oh.
I like yearbook,
I like glow stick.
I like Trivia Pursuit,
I like nail filer.
I like marker,
I like girl.
I
Sorry.
like curtain thing,
I like fan.
pillow, chair,
Necklace.
violin,
Guitar
I
shirt.
think, sweatshirt,
Do the dog thing.
I like dog,
There is plentiful more things that we like.
but most of all, I like my family.
I like a
Family.
pimped out necklace.
Sure, I guess I like family and my friends and all.